Okay, you're good to go.
Hello, Jerry. Jerry, this is Bryn. I just wanted to give you an idea of what the system is going to look like. What I've done is I've just set up a 920i indicator, a Ricelink 920i. This is what's going to be used on your system, proposed system. In it we've got software for high limit, low limit and accept limit, and we've also got a reject light if the part is outside of the reject criteria. Now yours would be an in-motion base, but I've just set this I've just set a static base up here so you can see the theory of operation. We would have two photo sensors to detect the product coming across the in-motion system. You just recall a PLU on the front of the screen. You just key in your high limit, your low limit and your accept limit, and then the rest is basically the part comes onto the scale and you just everything's taken care of. So I'm just going to put an accept part on. It'll come along your conveyor, it'll come onto our in-motion scale, it'll break the photocell and it records the weight on the display, 315 grams. It's an accept box, so the accept just carries on and goes away. Now a reject part comes on where it's missing a nut, so I've just added a nut on there. The reject comes along, goes onto our weigh table, it weighs it, and the alarm is going to go on to say that the part has been rejected. Now we can leave the reject buzzing if you want, we can lock the scale up, we can sound an alarm, we can flash a light, we can do whatever suits your application. So again, the accept part comes on, it'll come onto the platform, it'll accept the box and it just carries on. Again, the accept part comes on, measures the weight, carries on, goes on. Then you get a part that's missing a nut, comes on, goes on the weigh platform, it is outside the tolerance, it alarms and then carries on. So basically it's up to you how you want the reject to work, but we can set it up any way you want. The scale weighs down to 1 gram, it's completely programmable. It keeps a total of all the rejected parts, all of the accept parts. It tells you how many pieces you've done in the day. We can configure the software any way you want really. But if you come in down a little closer, you can probably see a close-up on the screen.
Yep, everything shows. Yep.
So you got any other questions, Jerry? You can always give us a call and we can let you know. Okay? Thanks, Jerry.